Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to Crypto Squid, your go-to channel for all things crypto. I'm Kevin, your guide on this thrilling journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Here at Crypto Squid, we cover it all, from small cap gems to high-profile projects, meme tokens that make you laugh, and NFT ventures that push the boundaries of creativity and more. In this video, I will explain this wonderful project called Forex Tester Online. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a curious investor, or just someone looking to stay informed about the latest trends, this channel is for you. Join me as we navigate the waves of the crypto and trading sea and uncover hidden treasures together. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that I'm not a professional analyst. My insights are based on research, experience, and my own personal opinions. So if you're ready to dive deep into the world of crypto, hit that subscribe button and join the Crypto Squid community today. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. See you after the intro. If you're serious about crypto, whether you're trading, investing, or Web3, you'll know that privacy is a big deal. And thank you for GoLogin for sponsoring this video. This is an anti-detect browser that will help you trade, invest, stay secure, and anonymous. Additionally, it allows you to manage multiple accounts across different exchanges, wallets, platforms without getting flagged, tracked, or banned. So this is great, especially if you are farming on multiple accounts. For example, if you are doing some airdrop farming. Additionally, this allows you to bypass geo restrictions, accessing certain DeFi platforms, exchanges, or services. Also, they have the ability for team access and remote work. And again, all in one place, on one device with no tracking and no fingerprinting. So it's super easy to use and you can check it out in the link down below. Again, if you are serious about crypto, especially running multiple accounts or any sort of farming, this is a must for you. And again, it functions just like a regular browser with tools for multiple accounts. Super easy to get up and running. And again, you can find it down below in the description. So this is my top pick for an anti-detect browser, and if you aren't using one, you should try GoLogin today. There is a completely free 7-day trial, and additionally you get 2 GB free for residential proxies, which is awesome. Protect your crypto accounts now and stay anonymous. Try out GoLogin for free on that link down below and get that 2 GB of free residential proxies. So in this video here today, we are taking a look at Forex Tester Online and their advanced backtesting software. Say goodbye to costly mistakes, gain confidence with lifelike market simulations that test months of performance in minutes. So of course, Forex as a whole, you need a very strong strategy here. And this advanced backtesting software will allow you, again, to simulate markets, which would usually take months, and you can do this in just minutes, allowing you to master your Forex trading. So there is a link down below in the description to sign up. And additionally, there is actually a special 5% coupon code if you use the code SQD5CRPT. That is SQD5CRPT, of course, short for Crypto Squid. So let's take a look at some of the features on the platform here. First off, their advanced charting with master chart control. Leverage comprehensive visualization tools here with their customizable indicators, multi-chart synchronization, precision drawing capabilities that transform complex market data into actionable trading insights. We also have customization here to streamline your backtesting experience, tailoring your testing environment with your unique workflow, whether this be your special profile charts here, rapid hotkeys, accelerate your simulations, and facilitate your strategy development. Data insights, of course, with tick-by-tick precision with event context, so you'll be able to see the news events and 23 years of detailed tick data. So again, you can fully backtest all of this with unparalleled accuracy. Strategy development, so of course focusing on what truly matters. Skip the noise and jump precisely into the critical strategy points here. And of course, trading execution. Handle orders your way. So you can manage your simulated trades efficiently with their intuitive chart-based ordering, instant position modifications, and comprehensive risk management tools. So the first steps here, of course, you set up your project itself here. And once you have created, we can see this one for gold, and you're all set. So you can change the speed, play this in real time, switch between ready-made scenarios and mystery projects, or of course create your own. And there are features by trading styles, whether it's SMC ICT traders, we have swing traders, and of course long-term traders. So whatever your style, they have this for you. And of course the currency pairs and assets for backtesting, we have over hundreds on the platform here with a standard dollar euro currency pairs. We also have commodities, the likes of gold, crude oil, natural gas, indices, so your standard index funds, cryptocurrencies, which has a pretty nice selection here. We have stocks themselves, again, specific companies, and ETFs. So for any standard usual trading pair, it is on the platform, allowing you to backtest. You can take a look at some other reviews here, and of course, use that code SQD5CRPT for that 5% discount. So let's log into the platform and dive right in here. So you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or of course your standard details. And here we can see logged in. So we can create our first project or use a recommended scenario. For example here, if we take a look at the 2022 rate policy change. So this is actually quite vital considering how the Federal Reserve is actually waiting for some rate changes. So we can see some price behaviors. We get a little breakdown of everything happening, the key events and indicators. And if we click to use this scenario, we can duplicate this and be straight into our project. So here we can see the charts are preparing. So we have the Euro USD pair on the left. In the middle here, we can see we have the USD to the Japanese yen. And here we have gold to the dollar. So these are all happening. Well, currently we can see at 900x speed. So every 15-minute bar is 1 second. If we actually move this back here to 15-minute charts, you will be able to see. So now if we hit play, we can see everything actually moving in live action. It's probably easier to see this through the daily charts. So let's move these over to 1 a day. And you can, of course, set your scenarios. So we have specific indicators. For example, we can look at some moving average trend lines and apply these to the charts. And depending on whatever trading strategy you are using or software, etc., you can test this in real time. And of course, you can slow down the speed. So literally move all the way back to real time. And we can speed this up to, well, maximum speed here. So it's over 1 day per second. And then you can exactly see how all of the trends are working. And I think this is really awesome. You have full customization to change your layouts, whether you just want a single chart or multiple, up to even 10. And you can actually add multiple new charts to your workspace. And there is an automation section here, which is currently in beta, but you can actually set this up for automated bids. And there are so many features. Again, it's definitely worth testing this out for yourself. If you are into Forex, this is a must. Again, it may be a investment, but it's better to backtest instead of making those costly mistakes. For example, you could just have a losing trade, and that's a costly mistake here. But using the advanced backtesting software, you can simulate what, again, would usually take you months to learn and trade through, and you can simply do that in minutes. So thank you all for watching here today. Again, make sure to check them out in the link down below and use my 5% personal discount, SQD5CRPT. This has been Crypto Squid, and see you next time.